This month, we're covering environmental hazards and dock safety. Last week, we accidentally covered battery charging station safety. It sounded familiar because we covered it just a few weeks previously. But as stated, it's just that important, just not that close in between talking about it. Now, we'll still cover 5 weeks that we intended to this month and have a bonus at the end of the month. But on today's warehouse safety tips, we're going to be talking about loading dock safety, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Picture a 4-foot drop. It doesn't look like much from the driver's seat, but to a worker that's on foot or on a forklift, that edge is a cliff. One wrong step or a sudden slip can change life in a split second. Gravity does not negotiate. It doesn't care about your schedule, your quotas, or your deadlines. And here is the simple truth. We must look out for one another. Loading docks are the busiest, highest risk areas that we manage, and keeping them secure is all about a positive overall safety, survival, and culture. Number 1, paint the danger. Apply high visibility yellow tape or paint to a drop zone floor. That visual marker must extend at least 3 feet back from any open dock door. If the door is open, that zone is strictly off limits unless a truck is fully locked in place. In some cases, paint may be the best option. However, if you're looking for another product to try, consider our sponsor, Mighty Line. Mighty Line offers the best safety floor tape and signs on the market today. Their patented beveled edge and thickness can't be beat. Mighty Line can be applied quickly and easily, leaving no residue when removed. This results in a very short loss of production time, a benefit you won't get when applying and removing paint. And now, back to the list. Number 2, you want to lock the steel. Use interlocking dock levelers. This system is going to prevent the overhead door from opening and the leveler from deploying unless the vehicle restraint is fully engaged on the truck trailer. No lock, no entry. Number 3, deploy the hooks. Always engage automatic vehicle restraints. Physical hook systems hold the trailer tight to the dock wall. This stops trailer creeps and prevents premature departure. Number 4, you want to watch the lights. Trust the red and green communication lights. Green means go for the forklift, but red for the truck driver. Red means stop for the forklift, but green for the driver. Train your team to check these lights before every single load. And last but certainly not least, number 5, bar the door. Install heavy-duty safety barrier or safety nets across open dock doors when no trailer is present. A simple chain is just not enough to stop a runaway forklift or a distracted worker. And as always, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. Every close call is a warning sign we cannot afford to ignore. When we rush, we miss things. When we miss things, people get hurt. It's just that simple. Safe facilities do not happen by accident. They're built by teams who refuse to cut corners, even when the pressure's on. Take a look at your dock doors today. Check the lights, test the locks, look for the person working next to you. This action is going to keep the place running, and your vigilance is going to keep the whole team safe. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week. Stay safe. And here's a word from one of our sponsors.
If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line Floor Signs and Floor Markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.